Okay? So again, just for the video's sake. Okay? This has 180 degrees in it. And then when I add y plus this, that has to equal 180, okay? And now you have an algebraic expression for what y actually is down in the corner, okay? And then we know that all three of those algebraic expressions have to add to 180. So that's your next line here. You're going to say, okay, 177 minus 19x plus 6x plus 15 plus 9x plus 16 has to equal 180. Now you're going to collect all the like terms. Okay. Negative 19 plus 9 would be negative 10. Plus another 6 would be negative 4x. That's the addition of all the orange pieces. And then everything else you can just kind of pile together. 177 plus 15. 177 and 10 would be 187, and 5 would be 182. And then another 16 would be 198. Am I right? I got distracted. Is that right? Tell me. I got distracted in the middle of my math. Nobody tells me I'm wrong. I'm gonna run with it. Yes, Amanda? Okay. I lost count of where I was in the middle. Okay, is equal to 180. Okay, and then we're solving for x. Negative 4x. Go to 180, take away 203. Swing this up here. Okay. Are we okay? Did you say, sorry, I didn't hear what you said, I guess. That was close. Again, I was only half wrong. Why was I only half wrong? I was only missing the other half of the 3. All right, what's 180? Take away 208. That must be 28, right? Negative 28. So negative 4x has to equal negative 28. Divide both sides by negative 4. That has to be 7. Okay? And then I believe, if I'm not mistaken, when you take this x and you plug it in, I won't put an x there. You take x and you plug it into all of your algebraic expressions. So for instance, if I plug it into here, angle y should be 44 degrees. Does that sound familiar? Again, I'm going off of pure memory. Okay. The top one should be, is it 57? We could do it, I suppose. You're going to get 9 times 7 plus 16. Okay. Is that 57? Does that work out to be 57? What is it, Aaron?
79.
Oh, that's right. What's the other one?
57.
Okay, sorry. I had them backwards. Don't forget your degree symbols, okay? And here's the other thing. Be very clear in what the angles are, okay? Some people were a little illegible down here in this other question, okay? When we get there. Just be very clear. The other thing, remember what I said about Miss Farahani saying, like, if she has to assume, she's going to assume you're wrong. That's what her assumption. So you have to, if you always write tests under that mindset, then be very, very specific, okay? And so why I mentioned that is because some people over here in this next question just gave me 2 answers. They just, whatever the answers are, it's 3 and 10 degrees. They didn't tell me which one was which. So now I'm left to assume, and Miss Farahani's going to assume you're wrong. Okay, so tell me, baby, label it. I don't know how you want to be specific. Okay, you could whatever. Okay, so anyway, as long as we're okay with that last question, let's jump over here now. Okay, so we're going to use our little C rule. It's not going to do that for me. Okay, we know that co-interior angles have to add to 180 degrees. Okay, so if I add those two together, x plus 22 plus 2x minus 13 has to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to get 3x, 22 take away 13 should be 9. Okay, does this look okay so far? Subtract 9 from both sides. 3x is equal to 171. Divide both sides by 3. What do we get? Opal?
I think it's 57.
That sounds right. Okay, don't write 57 degrees. That's not a measurement of the angle. All right, it's x equals 57. You got to go back now and find the angles, right? So 57 plus 22, 57 and 20 would make 77 and 2, 79 degrees there. And here we're going to go 2 times 57, take away 13. Oh, it's 114 minus 101 degrees. Okay. Happy? Too bad if you're not. I'm just joking. I'll come help you if you're not happy.